Come with me to my family's llama farm in Ohio. First off, we got some grain to go around and feed everyone. There was also a school that was visiting today, and they got to feed the llamas as well. And then we went over to the capybaras. They went for a swim. Then we went back into the barn, and this one was sneezing a lot. Next up is the kangaroos, and we have 3 of them, and this one was sleeping in the dog bed, and then this guy, which is his friend, was just drinking some water. Then we went back outside to feed more of the llamas. They were also very, very hungry, and we saw this little guy. There's like 9 babies right now, and they're so adorable. And that is pretty much it. I did a full little vlog on my YouTube channel as well that'll be up soon.